Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This Vauxhall Crossland X is available here in the highly equipped Elite nav trim. The exterior also benefits from this lovely looking two-tone orange metallic colour with gloss black roof and matching wing mirrors. Plenty to enjoy with the likes of privacy glass as well as rear parking sensors to help you in tight parking spots. Additionally, you'll benefit from automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights, front and rear fog lights, and even these stylish diamond cut alloy wheels which will complement the colour very nicely. The boot space can easily swallow weekly shopping with the option of folding the rear seats down in a 60/40 split. Shopping hooks are also ideal, this protective mat, and even a variable boot floor is available with a hidden compartment underneath. Loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3 passengers in this two-tone cloth upholstery, as well as 2 Isofix child anchor points are on offer, so you can even bring the little ones with you. Moving to the front, the driver will enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, as well as front seats offering additional side bolster supports for added comfort. Once behind the wheel, the driver will enjoy this multifunction wheel operating cruise control and speed limiter, as well as volume and Bluetooth. Digital speedometer will complement the analog dials, and there is even a traffic sign recognition camera to avoid speeding tickets. Moving over to the center console, the IntelliLink infotainment system has got physical shortcuts. It'll benefit from AM, FM and DAB digital radio, as well as a sound system that can be optimized to individual tastes, playing around with the bass, mid or even the balance of the sound as well. The built-in satellite navigation will ensure you never get lost on unfamiliar territory, and also pairing your phone is incredibly easy. If you don't like built-in sat-navs, you'll be pleased to know there's both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection, with various other vehicle settings on offer as well. Whatever the weather, easy-to-use 2-zone climate control system will keep you cool for the summer months, with storage for your device, 2 USB connectors and even the rear parking sensors with lane departure warning too. RAC Extended Warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.